Today we'll see how to count in French from 30 to 99. Starting from 70, it gets tricky. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and so on. 40, 41, 42, 43, and so on. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, and so on. There is nothing special with these numbers. Just note that for the numbers 31, 41, and 51, the word et needs to be used between 30 and 1, 40 and 1, 50 and 1. It's exactly the same case that we saw with number 21 in one of the previous videos. For the numbers 32 and up, 42 and up, 52 and up, the hyphen is used. Also note that 30 is written with en, while 40 and 50 are written with an. 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, and so on. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. The X in 60 is pronounced like an S. Also note that number 70 in French is 70. It is composed with the two words 60 and 10, 60 and 10. Number 71 is 71. It's composed with 60, 60, and 11, 11, and so on. So 76 would be 60 hyphen 16, 60 hyphen 16. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, and 99. Okay, there are a few things here. First, look at the word 80, 80. It is written with an S at the end of 20. But as soon as there is something after 20, the S disappears. So 81, 82, 83, and so on are written without an S at the end of 20. Also, notice that the word 80 in French is composed with the two words 4 and 20, which makes sense because when you multiply 4 by 20, you get 80. The word 90 is composed with the three words 4, 20, and 10. That also makes sense because when you multiply 4 by 20 and you add 10, you get 90. 96, that's 4 multiplied by 20 and you add 16. That's 96. That's kind of funny, but that's how it works in French. In Switzerland and in Belgium, you might hear people say 70 for 70 and 90 for 90. So for 96, instead of saying 96, they would say 96. And that was the last point for today. Thanks for watching.